Hey, welcome back to Snap Scenarios, where we flip the world into wild, what-if adventures. Today's big question: what if our pets could talk? Picture this. One morning your dog barks, "Hey, where's my breakfast?" Your cat smirks, "I've been running this house for years." Every pet, dogs, cats, birds, hamsters, suddenly speaks human language clear as day. No more guessing their meows or tail wags, just pure chatty chaos. How would life change? Let's unleash this talking pet pandemonium and find out. Starts with a shock. You're sipping coffee and your golden retriever strolls in. Morning. That kibble's stale. Got bacon. Your parakeet chirps, "Turn off that TV, it's garbage." By noon, every pet owner's jaw is on the floor. Fido's complaining about the leash, Whiskers demands a bigger bed. It's not just noise, it's opinions, sass, and full-on conversations. We'd realize our furry friends have been eavesdropping all along, and now they've got a lot to say. Daily life. Total upheaval. No more walkies. Your dog negotiates, "I'll go if you throw the ball first." Cats critique your cooking, "This fish is overdone." While hamsters whine, "My wheel's too squeaky." Feeding time's a debate, "Why kibble again?" And grooming? A battle, "Don't touch my fur, I like it messy." Chores double. Pets demand playlists, toys, even Wi-Fi passwords. It's less owner and more roommate. A furry, feathery cohabitation chaos. Relationships flip fast. Pets spill secrets, "You snore like a chainsaw." Or gossip, "The neighbor's dog hates their yard." Bonds deepen, your pup says, "I love you," and means it. But fights erupt, "You left me alone all day." And grudges form. Dating? Awkward. Your cat critiques your date, "They smell weird." Families? Noisy. Pets join every chat from dinner to arguments. Loneliness fades, they're always talking, but so does quiet. Society? Instant madness. Pet stores boom. Talking pets demand gourmet treats, designer beds. Laws shift. No barking becomes no shouting. Courts hear pet testimony, "That mailman's a jerk." Animal rights soar. Pets vote, "We want parks." Or riot, "Free the strays." Media explodes. Pet talk shows, bark at the news, go viral. Crime? Tricky, dogs snitch, "He buried cash." But cats blackmail, "Pay me or I spill." It's a loud, furry revolution. Communication? Non-stop chatter. Pets call you out, "You're late again." Or beg, "More treats now." Phones ring off the hook. Your dog texts, "Stuck in traffic." News. Pet-driven. Cat exposes local scandal. Social media. Flooded. Pets post selfies, rants, memes. Language evolves. Woof means yes. Meow means maybe. Humans adapt. Learning barks or purrs. But pets dominate, turning every chat into a zoo. The economy. Wild ride. Pet industries skyrocket. Talking toys, pet podcasts. Bark bucks currency. Jobs shift. Trainers become negotiators, vets double as shrinks. Retail adapts. Pet-friendly cafes, Walmart chains. But crashes loom. Pets hoard, "I want 10 beds." Supply chains strain. Workers tire. Non-stop pet demands cut focus. Money flows. Pets as influencers, "Buy my kibble." But chaos rules markets. Entertainment? Pet-powered. TV's dog idol. Pups sing, cats judge. Movies? Pet epics. Paws of fury. Games? Interactive. Pets play too. Fetch. The RPG. Music? Bands with barking backups, meowing solos. Books? Pet memoirs. My life as a mouser. Humans cheer. Pets steal the spotlight, but creativity shifts, reflecting their quirks over ours. It's a tail-wagging takeover. Health's a toss-up. Pets nag, "Walk more, you're slow." Pushing fitness. Stress drops. Talking buddies ease loneliness. But vets? Swamped. Pets whine, "My paw hurts." Clinics overflow. Mental health? Mixed. Constant chatter soothes or grates. Diet? Pets police, "No junk food." Or beg, "Share that pizza." Long term? We're fitter, or frazzled, tied to their vocal whims. Nature? Loud and confused. Pets talk to wildlife, "Hey squirrel, back off." Forests echo with banter. Ecosystems shift. Dogs organize hunts, cats taunt prey. Pollution. Pets protest, clean this park. Or trash it, more toys. Humans roam more. Pets demand outings, but habitats strain under constant noise. It's a chatty, chaotic balance. Education. Pet-led reboot. Kids learn from pets. Sit means sit. Schools add Pet Speak 101. Universities study canine linguistics. Research booms. Pets teach. I survived the yard. History gets furry. Self-taught. Endless. Pets narrate skills. Here's how to dig. Attention splits. Students distracted by chatty classmates. Knowledge grows but focus phrase. Long-term. Evolution leaps. Pets breed smarter. Talking genes spread, wild animals join in. Humans adapt. Bigger ears, sharper voices. Or merge cyborg pets with mics. Society. Pet-human hybrid equals not owners. Culture. Tales of the first bark. Pet-driven. Build me a throne. We'd rule together. Or bicker into oblivion. So wrapping up. If pets could talk, it'd be a loud, sassy, furry chaos. Or a wild new partnership. No barks, just banter. Could you handle it, or would your cat sass break you? Drop your pet convo dreams below. I want to hear them. Like, subscribe, and stick around Snap Scenarios for more crazy what ifs. Until next time, listen to your pets.